Dozens of workers have been trapped in an Uttarakhand tunnel for nearly 140 hours now, with a giant drill being deployed to save them. The rescue operations came to a halt yesterday evening after hearing a sudden cracking sound and the drilling machine developed a snag. Officials have said that a second heavy drill has been brought to the accident site and operations will resume soon. Meanwhile, the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Coordination Limited said that fifth pipe, which will be used to prepare an escape passage for the workers, is being positioned. Amid the ongoing massive rescue operation at Uttarakhand's Silkyara tunnel site, the Indian Air Force has joined the rescue mission to save the lives of 40 labourers trapped inside the under-construction Silkyara Barkot tunnel. The IAF deployed a C-17 transport aircraft to airlift nearly 22 tons of crucial equipment from Indore city to Dehradun. These pieces of equipment will be used in the rescue mission. Working day and night, the rescue teams have managed to clear up to 24 meters of debris in the tunnel, inching closer to the trapped labourers after 5 horrifying days. Now it may require an additional 60 meters to enable the escape of the workers. The 40 workers have been stuck since Sunday morning after a portion of the tunnel caved in. Officials said that all workers are safe and are being supplied food and water through steel pipes that have been drilled into the opening. Families of the trapped workers have arrived at the accident site and are losing hope. Brother of one of the workers said that the workers need to be rescued quickly before their health deteriorates. Doctors have also emphasized the need for comprehensive rehabilitation for the trapped workers, fearing that the prolonged confinement may necessitate both mental and physical recovery processes. The construction workers have been trapped since Sunday when a landslide caused a portion of the 4.5-kilometer tunnel they were building to collapse, approximately 200 meters from the entrance. The hilly area is prone to landslides and subsidence. The tunnel is part of the busy Char Dham all-weather road, a flagship federal project connecting various Hindu pilgrimage sites.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.